The renowned Tibetan master Chögyal Namkhai Norbu has collected songs by young Tibetan artists that he found on YouTube. They courageously sing of the love of their homeland and the need to preserve the profoundly meaningful culture of Tibet.
Kai, it means space. Ta, it means melody. Melody of the space, that means in space there exists good, bad, everything. When we are working very hard and the way we feel very tight, not very harmony, but when we enjoy and we are moving, we consider positive. No? That kind of the melody and the movement, harmony. That is the meaning, Khaita. Purpose of the Khaita, because we are living human being movement. So if we move, then we can continue our life more. If we are not no more moving one day, then finish our life. So it's very important to move, but move also smooth, harmoniously. It helps also for our health. Then it helps very much also our mind, because the mind is always confused, always judging, thinking so many things. So then when we are dancing, you are not thinking, oh, what I should do, I have this problem, number one, number two, number three. Not thinking. When you are dancing, you couldn't think that. You relax your mind. And you are moving with your physical body. So then we have body, speech, mind, and everything is there becoming harmonious. This is very important. Then, of course, when we are singing and dancing, not only we are dancing, jumping, no. What we are singing, it has, each time it has very precise meaning, real sense. Even we are not knowing, but more or less then, somehow we are learning, and also then with movement, everything is represent something.
This movement represents the Father, and this one the language of the Father. The arms in front mean that the Son doesn't understand him. May Khaita dance help to preserve the precious Tibetan culture and bring joy and harmony to all beings. We welcome you to experience Khaita joyful dance for yourself.